10 Surprising Health Benefits of Eating Oats Daily. Oats are a staple breakfast food in many cultures, valued for their versatility, affordability, and nutritional benefits. Incorporating oats into your daily diet can yield numerous health advantages, some of which might surprise you. Here are 10 health benefits of eating oats daily. 1. Improves heart health. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. By lowering LDL cholesterol, oats help reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, oats contain antioxidants called avenanthramides, which may help prevent heart disease by enhancing the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. 2. Aids in weight management. Eating oats can help in managing weight due to their high fiber content. The soluble fiber in oats slows down digestion and increases the feeling of fullness. This can help reduce overall calorie intake by curbing the desire to snack between meals. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal can set a positive tone for your dietary choices throughout the day. 3. Regulates blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes or those looking to prevent it, oats are an excellent food choice. The beta-glucan in oats helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This can prevent spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, making oats a low glycemic index food suitable for diabetics. 4. Supports digestive health. Oats are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. Soluble fiber helps form a gel-like substance in the gut, which aids in the movement of food through the digestive tract, reducing the risk of constipation. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and supports regular bowel movements. Together, these fibers promote a healthy digestive system. 5. Boosts immune system. The beta-glucan fiber found in oats has been shown to enhance the immune system's response to bacterial infections. Beta-glucan can help activate immune cells such as neutrophils, which are essential for combating infections. Incorporating oats into your diet may improve your body's ability to fight off illnesses and maintain overall health. 6. Enhances skin health. Oats have been used in skincare for centuries due to their anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Eating oats can improve skin health from the inside out. The antioxidants in oats help combat free radicals, reducing the risk of skin damage. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate skin conditions like eczema and dermatitis. For topical application, oat-based products can soothe itchy, irritated skin. 7. Provides essential nutrients. Oats are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, folate, and B vitamins. These nutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, including energy production, bone health, immune support, and red blood cell formation. A daily serving of oats can help ensure you meet your nutritional needs. 8. Improves mental health. Consuming oats regularly may have positive effects on mental health. The complex carbohydrates in oats can help regulate blood sugar levels, which in turn provides a steady supply of energy to the brain. This can help improve mood and cognitive function. Additionally, oats contain tryptophan, an amino acid that contributes to the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. 9. Supports athletic performance. Oats are an excellent source of carbohydrates and protein, making them an ideal food for athletes. The slow-digesting carbohydrates in oats provide sustained energy, which is beneficial for endurance sports. The protein content in oats helps in muscle repair and growth. Eating oats before or after a workout can enhance performance and aid in recovery. 10. May reduce the risk of cancer. Emerging research suggests that the fiber and antioxidants in oats may play a role in reducing the risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. The high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements, which can help prevent the buildup of harmful substances in the intestines. Additionally, the antioxidants in oats help protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer.